Clayton hits the table with a smile on his face. Alex feels the rush like he's picking up the pace. Tom and Noah laughing as the cars come through. Lukas calls a play like he always do. 9, 10, 11 and we double for free. Stacking up the cards, every hand feels clean. Split it down the middle when the pair looks right. Just 5 friends winning through the night. We keep it rolling, feeling that beat. Try not to let the dealer hit 22 on the seat. Lights are flashing, hands are quick. Every moment feels electric. Free doubles, feel the beat and hear it rumble. Free doubles, 5 friends here, we never stumble. Free doubles, no 22, ooh, keep it humble. Free doubles, Blackjack, now pay me double. Clayton calls a hit and the moment feels wild. Alex pulls a card and we all go smile. Tom lifts his hands like he knows that win. Noah taps twice, let the good luck spin. You pay me double. Lukas deal sharp, but we don't slow down. We're running this table like we run the whole town. 9, 10, 11, yeah, we double for free. Every split feels sweet when it lands just right for me. Free double, feel the beat and hear it rumble. Free doubles, 5 friends here, we never stumble. Free doubles, no 22 to keep it humble. Free doubles, Blackjack, now pay me double. Free double, no 22. Free doubles,